I agitate for Biafra. I agitate for Biafra. My right to agitate. My right. They turned it from treasonable felony now to terrorism.
My people watching right now, please like this video and subscribe so you can always get the latest updates, because what is happening in Nigeria today is very important and we must pay attention. So the big news, the court case involving Nnamdi Kanu has taken another surprising turn. Many supporters were expecting something very strong to happen today, but instead, the court has adjourned the matter once again. This time, the new dates given are 4th, 5th, and 6th of November, 2025. Yes, you heard that clearly. Later this year. Please like this video if you are following this story and want justice. Now, what really happened? When the case came up, the judge wanted Kanu to open his defense. But Kanu himself stood up and told the court that he cannot open his defense because his case file is not with him. He said the file was with his former legal team and he has not received it back. And because of that missing case file, he cannot defend himself properly. And again, Kanu said something that made the court and everybody listening very alert. He insisted that there is no proper charge against him. In simple language, he is saying there is no real case here. He wants the court to look at what the prosecution has done so far and make a decision based on that, without forcing him to defend himself. Don't forget to subscribe now because this story is still unfolding and we will update you every step of the way. People in the courtroom were watching closely because this is a very serious claim. When someone says there is no valid case, that means they are trying to end the trial completely, not delay it. They want the judge to say, there is not enough evidence, and free him. But the judge said no, the court will not rush. They will adjourn the case and come back again in November this year. So for now, the matter is still hanging. Kanu remains in detention, still waiting for the final decision. Viewers, do you think this delay is fair? Comment your thoughts. And please like this video to support our channel. Now let's talk about what this means. Many people are reacting differently. Some supporters are angry and tired of these delays. They feel this case is taking too long and it is affecting peace in some areas. Some people believe that if the case ends well and quickly, peace will return stronger in the country. Others are saying the court must be careful because this case is not just about one man. It is about the unity of the country, the rights of citizens, and how justice is carried out for everybody. So the pressure on the judge, on the lawyers, and even on the government is very high. Kindly subscribe right now so you don't miss the next update we will give on this matter. And my people, let us reason together. Why is it that every time the case comes up, something will happen and the date will shift again? Is it strategy? Is it delay? Or is it just how legal matters work sometimes? Slow and step by step. Supporters are saying Kanu has already stayed long in detention and they want a clear decision. If the court says he is guilty, then let them prove it. If the court says he is innocent, then let him go home. That is what many people are asking. They are saying this back and forth is creating tension. Don't forget, hit the like button if you agree that justice should be quick and clear. Now, let's talk about the way the court behaved today. The judge told Kanu that even if he says there is no valid charge, the court must still follow due process. The court wants written addresses from both sides, meaning they want the lawyers to put everything on paper, all the arguments, and submit it calmly. Those written addresses will be brought in on those dates later this year in November. After that, the judge will now take time, study everything, and finally give a ruling on whether the case will continue or stop. Viewers, please tell us in the comments, do you think the judge will accept Kanu's point or tell him to defend himself later? And please subscribe now so we can continue this gist together. Also, think about the emotions of family and supporters. Every new adjournment brings new disappointment and new hope at the same time. Some people want him out. Some want the case to continue. It is a strong mix of feelings across Nigeria. My people watching, smash the like button if you are still following. This matter is big and very sensitive. Leaders, youth, and community groups are watching every move, because whatever decision comes out will affect not only Kanu, but also the country's future in handling cases like this. Please subscribe. We are still going deeper. So now we go deeper into the reactions and the meaning behind this new adjournment. When the court shifted the dates and asked for written addresses instead of allowing Kanu to defend or not to defend, it created a lot of talking points. People are saying, why wait till November this year? That is a long time. Supporters were expecting something urgent because this case has been running for many years. Every adjournment brings more tension and more questions. Many are tired and just want a final answer. My viewers, what do you think? Comment your thoughts and remember to hit the like button if you feel this delay is too much. Some people believe the government is being extra careful because this case affects national security. They don't want any decision that will cause unrest or make certain regions feel ignored. So they want everything to be very orderly and detailed. But supporters feel their leader has suffered enough. They believe that if truly there is a strong case, judgment should come quickly. And if there is no valid charge, then freedom should come quickly too. Please subscribe right now because this matter is very important and we are following it step by step. Now let's look at how Kanu himself reacted. He told the court confidently that there is no valid charge against him. This shows he is not afraid. It also shows he believes the prosecution has not proved anything strong enough. Some people are saying he is very bold because he knows he did not commit any crime. Others are saying he is playing a smart legal strategy, trying to block the case from moving forward. Either way, this move puts the court in a very interesting position. Viewers, please like this video if you are following the court drama. Also, we must think about the families and the supporters who come out every time. They are not smiling. Many hoped that today would bring freedom news, but instead, another long wait begins. So emotions are very high, and the longer the wait, the more pressure will be on both the legal system and the government. Now listen to this carefully. The written addresses that will come on 4th, 5th, and 6th of November 2025 will finally show us exactly how both sides want the judge to rule. Those documents will be very important. They will either support Kanu's freedom or push for more trial sessions. So if you have not subscribed yet, please do so now so that you can hear the updates immediately when they happen. Let us also talk about what this means for Nigeria as a country. When a major court case drags for so long, people begin to ask if justice is slow. Justice delayed can feel like justice denied. So many Nigerians are watching carefully because this case is bigger than one person. It represents a lot of voices, a lot of history, and a lot of demands for fairness. My people, smash the like button if you want peace and fairness in the country. Some political analysts are already predicting different possibilities. Some believe the case might end before the trial even continues, especially if the judge agrees that the prosecution has not proven anything strong enough. Others believe that the court may still push for full defense later. All these things will shape Nigeria's political climate. When a case like this ends, it can either bring unity or create more division, depending on how it is handled. So please subscribe because our analysis will help you understand each stage as it comes. Now, let's look into the big question everyone is secretly asking. What if the court suddenly frees Kanu? There will be massive celebration in some regions. Many will feel justice has finally won. But also there might be some tension in other areas where people want strong control over secession activities. So the government will have to step carefully to maintain peace. And what if the court decides that the case must continue or moves into a stronger trial? Then supporters may feel disappointed again and protests could return. So everything is very delicate. Remember to like and subscribe because this story affects millions of Nigerians. As we continue to watch this situation carefully, I want you, the viewers, to tell me, do you think freedom is close? Or do you think the legal battle will continue for a long time? Please leave your comment. And again, Subscribe to stay with us. Before we wrap up, let's put everything together in a very clear way. Nnamdi Kanu came to court today with hope. Supporters came with expectations, and Nigerians at home were waiting to hear strong results. But instead of a final decision, the case was adjourned once again. The new dates are now 4th, 5th, and 6th of November 2025. This year, the court wants both sides to bring in their written addresses, and only after that will the judge study everything and decide the next move. Kanu is still saying there is no valid charge against him. The government wants due process. Supporters want quick justice. And the court says patience is needed. So everything continues to hang in the balance. This case is not just about one person. It affects peace, unity, and trust in the justice system. Every decision will have a strong impact on Nigeria as a whole. So my people, what do you think will happen in November? Will the court agree with Kanu and end the case, or will the matter continue? Please share your opinion in the comments. We want to hear your voice. Don't forget to like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button right now so you won't miss any new updates as they come. Thank you for watching and staying informed. More updates about this important case will come your way soon. Stay connected.